Notifications and quick settings. To access notifications, swipe down from the notification bar. Notifications will be displayed. To access expanded quick settings, swipe down from the notification bar with 2 fingers. Swipe left to view the second page of quick settings. To change what appears in your quick settings, select the menu icon, then select Button Order. Select and drag the desired quick settings icon to the desired location to rearrange the quick settings menu. When finished, select Done. Swipe up to close. Main settings. To access main settings, swipe down from the notification bar. Select the Settings icon. You can also access settings from the Apps tray. From the home screen, swipe up to access the Apps tray. Select the Settings app. Main settings allow you to adjust your device's features to meet your desired preference. Here you will find adjustment features such as notifications, display, apps, software updates, and more. If you cannot find what you're looking for, you can search your settings. To search through settings, select the search icon at the top of the settings menu. Enter your desired search and select the most relevant results to view and edit settings as desired.